Hi, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit. Today we're going to learn how to make a wire wrapped ring with just wire, nothing else. No bead, no glass, no cabochon, nothing. Just the wire. And we're going to make this really pretty design. It's called a rosebud design or a rose swirl design. Okay, kind of looks like a rosebud. I'm using gold colored wire for this project. You can use red, you can use silver. So what you're going to need for this project is wire. 20 gauge is pretty good to start with. You can use 18, 16, 22, but 20 is always a good place to start. Tools: flat nose pliers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, okay? And then of course, for any ring, you need a ring mandrel, okay? Has all the sizes on here. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. So again, these are the pretty rings that we are going to make. We're going to make one in gold today, okay? But whatever color you have, that's fine. I think they are just so pretty. Okay, so you have your wire. You're going to cut about 1.5 feet, about 18 inches. Okay, I just kind of eyeball it here. Wire cutters, snip. Okay, I have my ring mandrel. My size ring is a size 6, so you want to start at one size higher, always, okay? So I'm going to push the wire, press it against the number 7, and make sure the wires are pretty much even, okay? And I'm just going to start wrapping around. Keep it snuggly, keep it pressed, keep the center of it pressed at the number 7, okay? Now I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times. So one wire is going on top, one wire is going below, okay? So I typically stop when there are 4 rings, okay? Now, again, always try to keep it very taut. From here, I'm going to take the 2 wires and I'm going to cross and twist a couple of times. Keep it tight and just kind of pinch and twist. Okay, so from here, you're going to take one of the wires and you're going to continue to wrap around the base. Keep it low, keep it towards the mandrel. Okay, now save some wire there. I'm going to take the other wire, press it down, okay, and I'm going to wrap it around, again, the base. Okay, just a pretty twist design. So now you have these two wires that are sticking out. You don't want that, okay? You're going to take your wire cutters again. You're going to snip it, but you're going to leave a little piece there. I'm going to show you why. Okay, so again, snip it. You're going to take your needle nose pliers, and you're just going to take the end of one of those wires that's sticking out. Let's see if I can get that there. Right at the tip, and you're going to bend it in. You're just kind of squeezing the tip and curling it in. That is going to help you hide that wire, hide that sharp edge. Take your flat nose pliers and press that in to the base. You're kind of just like hiding it, okay? Do it to the other piece of wire. Okay, so you're going to, again, pinch the very edge, and then you're going to curl it in. Oops. Curl it in. And then again, flat nose pliers, press it in. Okay, at this point you can slide it off. I take my flat nose pliers again, and I kind of just press the rosebud design down, get it a little bit flatter. And there it is. How simple is that? And let me tell you, these I sell at my shows, and they sell amazing. Size 6, fits like a glove. Really pretty. I just don't think you can see the shine on this video, but they are so pretty and they shine. And it's good to get the tarnish-free wire. Subscribe, and I will tell you where to get the materials in the description. Thanks for watching.